Welcome back, everyone. I'm back with another planting video. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the seeds that I'm sowing today are going to go in my herb garden from my last video and my vegetable garden that I'm going to create as well. So the seeds I have are some chamomile, lemon balm, carrots, kale, spinach, and lavender seeds. So a couple of materials that I have for this project are these plant labels right here, clear plastic containers with lids, this Jiffy brand of organic seed starting soil mix that I can use to start the seedlings, the Jiffy brand seed starting Jiffy strips, which are some peat moss trays that have different cells I can put each seed in. And I also have the Jiffy brand peat moss pots. Okay, so first off, I'm going to line my trays with a little bit of this organic seed starting soil. After I start filling up each cell, I'm now going to start putting in my first set of seeds. Okay, so the first seeds that I'm going to use are my chamomile seeds, as you can see here. So as you can see, these seeds are very small and fine, but they're easy to plant. With chamomile seeds, all you have to do is just plant them at the top of the soil. So here you can see me just sprinkling a bunch of the seeds into each cell that I have. Alright, now that I'm done, I'm just going to set these to the side and start working on the next batch of seeds. So, as you can see, I'm going to repeat the process and just start filling up the tray with some more soil. Okay, and for this time around, I'm going to be putting in some lemon balm seeds. Now I'm pretty excited to add some lemon balm to my herb garden that I have. Lemon balm has many great benefits. So lemon balm is good for using to reduce stress and anxiety. It also helps with promoting great sleep, and it improves your appetite, and it can also ease some pain and discomfort from indigestion. But most importantly, lemon balm is also very great for brain health and mental focus. So as you can see, I'm sowing those seeds into the soil right now and just going to cover it up with a little bit more soil. And now that I'm done, it's time to move on to the next one, which is some spinach seeds that I'm going to sow. Now, spinach is a vitamin-rich, dark leafy green that's full of many vitamins and minerals such as vitamin K and antioxidants. It's also a cool weather plant, so it is perfect to start sowing these seeds right here at the beginning of the fall. Now here I am just going to put a seed in each of the cells, and I'm just going to cover them up and put them to the side so I can start on the next plant. Now here's the next herb that I am very excited about. This here is my lavender. Now I have the lavender in the Ziploc bag because I learned that with lavender, you kind of want to make sure that you stratify them before planting them. So it's basically just simulating that they already went through winter. And I put the lavender on a wet paper towel in the fridge for a couple of weeks and waited until they grew a few sprouts, as you can see right here. Now, since some of the seeds kind of grew sprouts after, taking them out the fridge and letting them warm up in the windowsill, I'm going to take some of the sprouts and plant them in each of the trays that I have here. So I'm being kind of as delicate as I can to not necessarily, break the sprouts. But I should have got like some tweezers or something, but hey, you gotta work with what you got. So here I am showing one of the sprouts, trying to get this camera to focus. Okay, good. There's the sprout. So since there's a lot of room kind of in each cell compared to each sprout, I'm only putting just a couple of the sprouts in each cell, maybe like a good 3 or 4. Now, just in case I have any complications with planting these sprouts, I'm going to save this paper towel still full of seeds and put them right back in the Ziploc bag that I had. Let them sit in the window for just a little while longer to see if there's more sprouts that I can use for later on. Now, I don't have a greenhouse just yet, but my Amazon order is on the way. So right now, I'm going to do a makeshift greenhouse. So I'm using these plastic containers that I have. I'm going to spray both the lavender and the chamomile seeds in soil, kind of get it moist. And then I'm just going to add a lid on top so it can create a nice little condensation effect. And I'm going to put both of these seeds under the heat lamp that I got in the office. So now it's okay if you don't have all the fancy materials that you need. Sometimes you just got to work with what you got, and it can always be effective. So now I'm going to put these to the side and continue with my seeds. So the next seeds I'm planting are these carrot seeds. So I have some of these peat moss pots that I have left over. So I'm just going to start with filling them up with some of this soil that I have. And here you can see the inside with some of the seeds. And what I'm going to do is just sprinkle a few of the seeds in the pot and then just cover it up with some more soil. And I'm doing this with 2 of the peat moss pots that I have. So I'm going to have 2 sets of these carrot plants. Now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to add the labels and set that to the side. Okay, so now I'm doing all my plants and I'm going to put them inside under my heat light. And so as an added bonus, a few days later, I got my greenhouse. So I decided to start on some fall veggies and herbs. So as you can see, I have some spinach, kale, carrots, squash, my lemon balm, chamomile, and cucumber and parsley. So we're going to see how this works in the greenhouse. So that is all I have for this video today. Thank you guys for watching another episode of Gardener Positivity. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.